Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having
PDQ, because you know why? Because what, First Lady?
It is Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. Yeah, I didn't get a long time. Yeah, I didn't get a Fast Food Friday. You know, we back with it again. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But look now. And we also got mail.
Oh yeah, we do got
if
mail.
If you want to be nosy, wait till the end. It might come in the middle or at the end. I'm not going to tell y'all. So.
Sorry, I have some waffle fries. And I have a spicy chicken sandwich. I got some loaded tater tots. I did not know that it had bacon on it.
From SRC. She never want to give me none.
He can't have any. Yeah. What do you have, my love?
I got a crispy chicken deluxe sandwich with everything. Come again, or tell me.
The box is so cute.
Yeah, that's a nice box. I don't want to throw it away. You know I'm gonna order mine.
No. Ooh.
Probably I'm a hoarder. I like keeping stuff.
Let's put this over here.
Yo, put your pork to your side, yo.
Let's put this over here. Yo, watch your mouth.
Freaking pork, you know,
watch your mouth.
Shit, yo.
Here you go.
Damn, buy a freaking pork. Make sure.
Relax. Here you go.
Oh, you get them quick already? Fast. That was fast.
Yes. I hope you enjoyed it. So that's how it looks.
Since First Lady got a lot of food, you need to take hers, family. Look at my crispy chicken sandwich.
I'm gonna try this tater tot.
First, put your hand right there. Look at this, a big breast. Take a bite. It's not RFC, but it looks delicious.
I'm gonna put some.
Oh my God, they didn't bring no cat. They didn't give me no. God damn, they keep my shit dry, son.
Oh, no mayo?
No ketchup.
I was gonna get some ketchup. You don't want you can go get a ketchup, honey. Let me taste this first before I put some. I got pork.
Yo, scoop your pork thing over there. Eat my food. I need no more ketchup. I mean, eat my sweet the sweet sauce they give me. Good.
That is good. Put some ranch dressing on it. I know this big old.
Yeah, though.
Put that on there.
Yeah, though. That sweet sauce is good.
Sweet sauce is good. Put the ranch.
Okay, put on my French fries, you know. Waffle fries. Oh, I see what they doing. I know what they doing, you know.
My straw is broken, so I gotta flip it. That's the trick. If you're drinking out of your straw, and you're not getting any soda or any juice, just put the straw. That means it's just ripped. So we're just getting set up here. Got food all over the place. Let me taste this sauce right here.
They be saying these people be doing some combination. They be eating Chick-fil-A and Han, PDQ, and these all type of different things. That's how we do.
I got Chick-fil-A sauce. I can't have.
Everybody gotta live, no?
Yep. I love the fries. With a Chick-fil-A sauce. I have Woollipa sauce. Let me try this.
That's what I heard. I see what they're trying to do.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A fries.
Well, so far, that's so good. Let me taste my sandwich. I already gave you a bite.
You did?
I already gave them a bite.
Oh, you did. Oh. I thought.
What? That spicy one?
I was gonna say, I thought mine came with lettuce and tomato, but it's inside the sandwich, so you don't really see it.
I see it right there poking out. Not bad.
PDQ stands for People Dedicated to Quality.
That's good.
I did not know that until I saw the box.
I was reading about earlier. I was like, what does it stand for?
Yeah.
And they opening a lot around here too.
A lot.
Yeah, I got these where you at? Calm it down.
This is good. I was gonna get it with fries, but I'm like, I already have fries. I want double fries.
I mean,
What do you want?
the hot sauce there.
You got it 2 times spicy?
Yeah. Family, this is good. I ain't gonna lie, son. Oh!
What?
Don't forget, the link is in the description, and if you don't want to go down there, just type in TheGreedyCouplePatties.com. www.thegreedycouplepatties.com. Any way y'all want it, description or typing, because y'all know y'all good with that computer. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate every single one of y'all. Good. They had waffle fries last time we went here too?
I don't remember.
They didn't have waffle fries.
No.
We ate it
That was
before,
like 2
family.
years ago.
Yes, but we didn't have it on channel. We didn't have waffle fries.
Yeah, because
Right or wrong?
yeah, we've never had PDQ on the channel before. And the few times we ate it,
Yep.
they didn't have waffle fries.
Your daughter would have known you. They didn't.
Any kind of fries taste good with Chick-fil-A sauce. Or sandwich or whatever. Wow, look at the red of the sandwich.
Let me taste the spicy sandwich. It's that crispy. No, it wasn't pork. It was a piece of the spicy sandwich. I'm gonna bite that first.
You see how you try to get a big bite?
Take a bite. Look, sauce.
You put 500 sauce and I don't know
I
what.
asked her if you wanted some, she said she didn't want them. Okay. I can't say act. I said crispy, and they're crispy for real. That is spicy though.
So what you guys got planned for the weekend? I feel like I haven't asked you guys that in a while.
For real. We know. You gotta understand though. You napkin?
Yeah. Did you try this sauce?
Well, that's from them too?
Yeah, one thing, I love
Chick-fil-A.
sauce.
Which one is that?
Sweet sriracha. It's good.
Good. This is good, family. If you got this where you're at, go try it.
Here's another one I think you want.
I'll save it. Put it in the fridge.
Very good. You know what's missing in the sandwich? What's missing on the sandwich?
Cheese. We love our sandwich cheese. We should tell them to put cheese on it. They put cheese on it, we should tell them. Why we didn't say that?
I forgot.
We love our sandwich with cheese, family, if you know that.
Mine don't come with tomato though. Just lettuce.
And pickle.
And pickle. You know I'm not gonna eat all these fries.
That's why I'm here. She's not. But I will.
Look at it. Bottom of the potato. Definitely go try them out.
Go try them out, family.
And let us know what you think.
Let me know what you think. Try them out. And if you did already, let us know how it was.
You ever eat something and then after you eat it, you don't eat it again for years? And then when you go back and eat it, you're like, I wonder why I don't eat this often.
Yeah.
Look, you confused? So much sauce?
You remember the first time when he came out, when we said, what the hell is this place?
Yeah. Just like Culver's.
Yeah. What's up on Culver's, man? You love Culver's now.
Or Zaxby's or those places like that. We're like, what is this?
It's good. What place is this? When we see chicken, they say, yep. It's a chicken spot.
Chicken spot is good.
You know what I need to have here now?
What?
Is that this place?
Yeah.
Boned in chicken.
Oh, with some chicken wings? You love you some chicken wings.
I love me some chicken wings.
Everybody loves chicken wings. Everybody. This weekend, I'm going to chill. Richie's off, so that means he's going to be harassing me.
No, I rest my you. Oh, snap. I ain't getting my fry. We got caught up. Here with the sweet honey. There you go. Look at it.
I can taste the spice. I mean, smell it. You can even smell the spice in here.
You want spicy chicken, honey?
It's not that spicy.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Well, I got a spicy part of it.
It was hot to you?
Well, how you give me that part?
No, your taste buds is... Yeah, I just happened to give you that part.
That's
Your
right.
taste buds is off.
My taste bud can't be off.
It's off.
I'm going to some.
It's off.
I love sauce.
So, somebody can give you anything to eat as long as it has sauce on it and you'll eat it?
Not pork. Not pork, family. You can't trick me. Not pork.
Well, not pork, but... You eat frog legs, honey?
I'm down to try.
Me not yam that.
No cap. I'm down to try. I'm down to try the frog legs right now. It's a mukbang. You try different stuff.
By yourself.
The mukbang channel, right, family? You try different stuff. It's a mukbang channel.
I'm afraid of them, so why am I gonna eat them?
Different. They're full of chicken.
Ugh. Oh.
Yeah.
You gonna get that back on?
Can't get it back on. My youth. My youth. Stop laughing. I was fighting with this in the store too. Why so tight though, son? Yeah, we're not enough time for that, my youth.
I was wondering how long it was gonna take you to give up. Because I would have been gave up.
Family, I was trying to fix that in the store too. It would not go on.
It is tight though.
It's tight. Now they gave me a medium.
But but the first time you put it on, it goes on great.
Wait, after?
But if you take it off and put it again,
Yeah.
it's a no-go.
No show. Family, I got the icy strawberry. That joint's sweet. Wow. Too sweet, man. Too sweet.
What I got?
I don't know what the fuck you got over there. You
What? You know that I got you two little
I
lie.
don't know what the hell you got. You guys some different shit.
Lie.
You say you mixed up with I'm not paying attention to you getting over it.
Oh, I got the strawberry soda.
All right.
From who?
Come here.
Who?
Fanta.
Oh, Fanta. That's what I was asking you. I'm down.
You want to eat your chicken? Good. That's what I was waiting for. Because I know you ain't gonna mind that you buy that thing. I just feel so mad because you buy the damn shit. I can't even eat none of this shit, man.
Whatever. You're always mad.
Sorry, family. I'm venting because I wanted some of the thing and she go get the thing pork. She didn't know what pork was on it anyway. Because if I knew pork was on it, she couldn't get that because I couldn't even eat it. Look now. All I got is right there.
What do you mean she couldn't get it? I get what I want. Maya talking to?
You can't get pork, Maya.
Yeah, all right. How much time they see me eat pork on the channel? You see? You fucker, yeah? Hey! Stop! Nonsense. Yeah, you fucker, yeah?
Family. Excuse me, see that?
It's a pepper.
You see that boy give me a no? Wow. Sorry. Somebody say you're too friggin' greedy, man.
Yep.
You should have waited.
Everybody in the family saying that. See?
And the first day the food alone.
She left her food alone. Yep.
But she gave it to me. I didn't take it. Oh, Tom. That
It was good.
I went in the wrong one.
Because...
No, why? Because I
inhaling, yeah.
suck up the lettuce and the lettuce without chewing it.
Oh, well, You never chew anyway.
That's why I caught me.
Mm. I'm telling you, I don't think you be chewing.
So what I'm doing now? Family.
You don't be chewing.
So what I'm doing now, I'm not chewing. Excuse me. Damn, Tom.
Ooh, I taste the spice now, but at the end, is it because it's towards the end, not in the middle? 'Cause you know the chicken breast is bigger in the middle.
Yeah.
So I guess all the spice at the end.
I told you, I tasted you did I was lying to you. What it is, this is a go though, family. It's a go though.
Yeah, it's good.
Even though we're talking our crap, but it is really good.
We are talking crap.
But you know that's what we do here. Talk whatever. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. If you come to this channel, all we do is talk and eat. And y'all compensate with us. You know what I'm saying? That's all. Ain't nothing pretty up around here. Keep it real.
Speak for yourself. That's something cute.
On there, first lady.
Pretty.
And if you're new, I am Richie. And this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And when First Lady says she's full, she's full. I don't know, nobody tell my First Lady to eat more. Alright, family. We appreciate y'all.
Ooh.
The show is coming to an end, you know.
Don't we got mail?
Oh, shit. Excuse my French, but wait, let me finish then. We got meal.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and clean up, and then we'll show you our mail. Hey, family, welcome back. Thank you so much for making it this far. If you've made it this far, watch us open up our mail.
Yes. And this is from, I'm looking right at you, from one of our day one family member. You know we do subscribers, like we threw that out of the bush now. It says all family members, you know what I'm saying? Positive vibe over here, you feel me?
That's right.
And this person is anonymous. They know who they are.
We know who they
and
are.
we know who you are. Big up yourself.
Bop.
Blessings.
Okay.
So what we got in here?
All right, my love, do the honors.
Okay, so let me chat too much, man. And first lady say I talk too much.
Let me tell you something. Stop giving me stuff to do. I have enough to do already.
Okay, boss. Cut away from yourself, no? That's how you do it.
You know what stuff I do?
You gotta cut away from yourself.
Face.
Yo, I never see a person love talk like that.
I do love to talk.
Love talk off your damn mouth.
You know what stuff I do and you can't open the box?
You talk too much, man. That's why I can't open the box. Chat too much, dog. All right, what we got up in here? Oh. Got it. All right, what we gonna do now?
Okay, family member, let's see what it is. Wait a minute.
And
I think the family member got it from off of our Amazon wish list.
Yep.
By the way, it's down below in the description.
It's in the description. Don't forget now, listen. Y'all could do the same thing.
Oh, I know
You
what
know?
this is.
What is that?
I know what this is.
What is that?
I know what this is. I know what it.
Okay.
Richie doesn't know what it is.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I know it's a gift.
Okay. Again, this is another big gift.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to insert a picture of how it's supposed to look, so you can have an idea. All right. So that is what this is in this box. And we definitely needed it because, you know, it helps when you have good lighting. It's better for you, better for us, better for the food, better for everybody.
It's more for y'all to be nosy and to see us better. So now we gotta be careful when we come on camera.
Oh yeah, you're gonna see
Everything now. Too nosy might like you.
Thank you so much
Appreciate you.
to our anonymous family member.
You already know that anonymous is the way to go sometime, you know? We appreciate you.
Yes.
Let me talk. All right, family. Oh, you saying that right? I didn't even get in the word of wisdom.
You're forgetting everything today. First, you forgot to open a package. Now the word of wisdom.
All right, yeah, take a look now. All right, what we got going on right now? So, family, listen to this one, family. This one is real.
So excited about it. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
We appreciate you. You already know that. Big up yourself.
Big up.
Family, first lady, listen. All right.
listening.
All right. In the business world, everyone is paid in 2 coins, cash and experience. Take the experience first, the cash will come later.
Yep.
Okay. You heard me? Cause you're not even listening.
I never listen to your ass.
Bro, you see that? You see that? All right, let me say it again for y'all that's listening from me. I know you ain't gonna throw me like that under the bus, okay? All right, you ready?
Okay.
In the business world, everyone is paid in 2 coins. I like the coins, you know? Ching ching like. All right, cash and experience. Take the experience first, and you always know the cash is gonna come later.
That's right.
All right.
All right,
We
family.
appreciate y'all. The battery's about to die too. Look, see blinking. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. And yes, the Greedy Couple Parties in the description. If you don't want, you could type it in at www.thegreedycoupleparties.com. We're not gonna be there to see us and talk to you, but do that.
That's right.
Do the right thing. Okay,
Okay.
family? We appreciate y'all. I'm Richie. This is AKA Shanice Chatty First Lady sometimes.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang.
Bye.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Thank you.